Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. Few experiences test a relationship more deeply than infidelity. When people hear that a couple has faced betrayal, opinions often come quickly. Some believe no one should ever stay. Others believe every relationship deserves another chance. But the longer I've lived, the more I've come to believe that life is rarely that simple. Every relationship carries a history that only the people inside it truly understand. There are years of shared experiences, children, dreams, promises, disappointments, growth, and sometimes deep regret. That's why I don't think it's our place to judge someone for staying or for leaving. Some couples choose to rebuild, not because the betrayal didn't matter, but because both people are willing to do the difficult work that healing requires: honesty, accountability, transparency, counseling, time, and a genuine commitment to rebuilding trust. That journey is neither quick nor easy. It asks a great deal from both people. Other relationships take a different path. Sometimes the betrayal reveals patterns that have existed for years. Sometimes trust has been broken too many times. Sometimes one person is willing to repair the relationship while the other is not. And sometimes, despite love, the emotional safety needed to continue simply isn't there. Choosing to leave doesn't automatically mean someone gave up too easily. Choosing to stay doesn't automatically mean someone lacks self respect. Both decisions can require tremendous courage. Both decisions often involve grief. And both deserve compassion rather than assumptions. One thing I've learned is that healing doesn't always mean the same thing. For some couples, healing means rebuilding the relationship. For others, healing means rebuilding themselves. Neither path is easy. Both ask people to face difficult truths. Perhaps the better question isn't, why did they stay? Or, why did they leave? Perhaps the better question is, what does healing require in this situation? The answer will not be the same for every person, and that's okay. Relationships are deeply personal. So are the decisions we make within them. If you've ever walked through betrayal, I hope you give yourself permission to move at your own pace, to seek wisdom, to ask honest questions, to honor your values, and to remember that no one watching from the outside can fully understand what you're carrying. The people who know your story best are the ones living it. And whatever path healing takes, I hope it leads toward greater honesty, greater peace, and greater wholeness. Not because the past can be erased, but because hope has a way of growing again, even after trust has been broken. Inspire Beautiful. Take care, everyone, and thanks for joining me.